Let us start with next one, that is question number 11. So when it comes to question number 11, here it has been given as E1, E2 and E3 are the EMFs of the following three galvanic cells respectively. Which one of the following is true? So they have given three EMFs of a cells, so that we have to calculate for each and every one. The first one is zinc with zinc ion, which has a concentration of 0.1 molar, separated by a salt bridge, Cu plus 2 with 1 molar, and copper with solid. So they are asking to calculate the EMFs. So we know that EMF of a cell can be calculated by the formula E of a cell is equal to E naught of a cell minus of 0.0591 divided by N into log of product by reactant, or else you can also write it as log of oxidation by reduction. So both you can write. So here we already know that oxidation is loss of electron, reduction is gain of electron. So since all three cell representations has been given with copper and zinc, we know that copper, that is Cu plus 2 bar Cu. So here zinc is, according to this cell representation, we can analyze that zinc is losing electron, copper is gaining electron. So gain of electron is nothing but what? Reduction. So copper is undergoing a reduction which has a cell potential of 0.35 volts, and we know that zinc is undergoing what? Oxidation. Oxidation means it is losing electrons which has a cell potential of how much? Minus of 0.76 volts. So if I calculate the E naught of a cell, E naught of a cell is nothing but right electrode minus left electrode, that is nothing but 0.35 minus of minus 0.76, which comes out to be 1.1 volts, where this 1.1 volts will be the standard of what? E naught of a cell. Now when I keep on substituting the values given with the concentrations, so first one I'll write it as E1 of a cell is equal to, what is E naught of a cell? It is 1.1 volts we have calculated. 0.0591 loss and gain of electron is 2, that is the value of N is 2, log of oxidation by reduction. So zinc is undergoing oxidation, where this zinc has a concentration of how much? That is 0.1 divided by copper has a concentration of 1. So it comes out to be overall 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but the log of this will tend to 1. Therefore E1 of a cell is how much? 1.11 plus 0.0591 divided by 2 will be the value of this. So because 0.1 is what? 1 by 10. So when I apply this 1 by 10 with log, that will be with log 1 minus of log 10. So minus of log 10 is 1. So that will be minus 1. This becomes positive. So this is the EMF of the first cell. Second cell. So second cell representation has been given as Zn bar Zn plus 2 separated by a salt bridge which has a concentration of 1 molar, that is Cu plus 2, which has a concentration of 1 molar, separated by copper with solid. So when I go through with this, I write it as E2 of a cell is equal to, E naught of a cell is standard, that is 1.1 minus of 0.0591 by 2. Here log of what? Oxidation by reduction. So oxidation is involved with what? Zinc, which has a concentration of 1 molar. Even copper also has a concentration of 1 molar. So that this will be log of 1 by 1. So log of 1 by 1 tend to 0. Hence this E2 of a cell is how much? It is 1.11. So this is 1.11. So this will be with second one. Next, when we go through with the third representation, the third equation has been given by zinc solid separated by an zinc ion which has a concentration of 1 molar, separated by a salt bridge Cu plus 2 which has a concentration of 0.1 molar by Cu. When I go through with EMF of a cell, that is I write it as E3 of a cell is equal to 1.11, that is E naught of a cell minus of 0.0591 by 2. into log of oxidation by reduction. We know that zinc is undergoing oxidation. The concentration of zinc is how much? It is 1, and the concentration of copper is how much? It is 0.1 molar. So 0.1 molar means 1 by 10. This becomes log 10. So log 10 value is 1 again. So that E3 of a cell is how much? It is 1.11 minus of 0.0591 by 2. So when we analyze with this, which is greater? E1 is greater as compared to E2 of a cell as compared to E3 of a cell. Hence, the correct option for this given question is what? Option B, which is given by E1 is greater than E2 and E2 is greater than E3.